preparation of the quintessence of pearl. 1. Preparation of the pearl. Start with a high-quality pearl as the prima materia. Ensure it is clean and free from any visible impurities or coatings. Grind the pearl into a knee powder using a mortar and pestle or other suitable grinding equipment. Alternatively, you can choose to use pre-prepared pearl powder available from reputable sources. 2. Extraction. Place the pearl powder into a glass vessel or ask. Add the quintessence of wine to cover the pearl powder completely. The quintessence of wine is a high-quality alcohol obtained through the process of distillation from wine. Seal the vessel and allow it to macerate or soak for a period of time, usually several weeks or more. Agitate the mixture intermittently during the maceration period to enhance the extraction process. The quintessence of wine will extract the essence and bane seal properties from the pearl powder. 3. Filtration and separation. After the maceration period, filter the mixture using a filtration apparatus or a Nimesh filter to separate the liquid, the extracted essence, from the solid particles. Collect the altered liquid in a clean container, ensuring that it is free from any sediment or impurities. 4. Concentration and purification. Transfer the altered liquid to a distillation apparatus, such as a glass still or alembic. Apply gentle heat to evaporate the quintessence of wine while leaving behind the concentrated quintessence of the pearl. Collect the condensed vapors in a receiving vessel. This process, known as distillation, helps concentrate and purify the quintessence by separating it from the quintessence of wine. 5. Maturation and storage. Transfer the collected quintessence of the pearl to a suitable storage container, preferably dark glass bottles to protect it from light. Allow the quintessence to mature and develop its desired qualities over time. Store the bottles in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures.